Hey guys, it's Lindsay here. I wanted to record a video because I can't be here on our first meeting for our connections group. I'm really excited though that we are coming together to work on Lobo 101. I think this is one of the most important classes that we have at Rocky, and I think it's one of the reasons that Rocky's culture can continue to be really strong. And I love Lobo 101 for a lot of reasons, but I think what it does really well is help kids feel connected and help them understand themselves and support themselves. I personally want more resources for helping kids get connected and to feel emotionally supported and like emotional health. And so that's part of why I wanted to start this group. But there's other things obviously that we can all add to and contribute and work toward improving the class. And so I wanted to just first of all say thank you for joining. I'm really excited. I will be here for the rest of them, but I just had to miss this first one. I did create a Google Classroom, so if you guys would like to get on there and start to just kind of add categories of things that you would like to see happening or like to see more of in Lobo 101, and then we can work toward that. So the first day, if we can just start to decide on some of those categories of things we want to see more of in Lobo 101, and then we can start to work on providing resources and having discussions about that. Okay, again, thank you. I'm sorry I wasn't here the first day, but I will be back next time. Okay, bye guys.